Does McDonald sell cheeseburgers? Long Division Made Easy by Rachel Gerwin. Long division is a process used to do harder division problems. Use the division code to solve long division problems. The division code uses the acronym Does McDonald's sell cheeseburgers, which stands for divide, multiply, subtract, check, and bring down. Each letter in this sentence tells you a step in a long division problem. Once you complete the steps, you go back to the original and start over if you have numbers left. Let's try to divide, but first we need to remember our terms when we divide. These are quotient, which is the answer to a division problem, divisor, which is the number outside the box, and the dividend, which is the number inside the box. Does equals divide. Check and see if the divisor goes into the first number of the dividend. Does 8 go into 6? Can you make one or more groups of 8? If not, put an X as a placeholder. Now check and see if the 8 goes into the two-digit number. Does 8 go into 65? Can you make groups of 8 without going over 65? If you can, put the number on top. McDonald's equals multiply. Now multiply the number you just wrote with the divisor. Put that number under the two-digit number in the dividend. So we put 64 under 65. Sell equals subtract. Subtract the two numbers. 65 minus 64. Is the difference smaller than the divisor? Cheese equals check. If no, the number you multiplied was too small. Try again. If yes, go on to the next step. So if we look at our problem, 1 is smaller than 8, which is our divisor, so our check checks out and we can move on. Burgers equals bring down. Bring down the next number and start again. So we bring down the 8 and now what? We have to finish the problem, so we start over in the process. Does equals divide. 18 divided by 8 is 2. We put the 2 on top. McDonald's equals multiply. 8 times 2 is 16. So we put 16 under 18 and subtract. Sell equals subtract. So 18 minus 16 becomes 2. Cheese, we're going to check. Cheese equals check. So we're going to check the 2 is smaller than 8. So that checks out. Burgers means bring down. There's nothing to bring down. So 2 becomes our remainder. So there's nothing to bring down. Then 2 becomes our remainder. These are the steps that we did in this problem. Does equals divide. McDonald's equals multiply. Sell equals subtract. Cheese equals check. And burgers means to bring remainder. If there's still a number but nothing left to bring down, this number becomes your remainder left over. In this case, it's 2. And the quotient is 82, remainder 2. Now you're done. Congratulations. Now you know how to divide using the division code.